when it is connected to a monitor with an HDMI cable, but the screen display or sound does not work correctly. Disconnect and then reconnect the HDMI cable to reset the connection. Disconnect the HDMI cable from the computer and television. Compare the HDMI connector to the HDMI port. The connector on the cable must match the port. Connect the HDMI cable to the ports on the computer and television. Set the input source on the television to match the port the HDMI cable is connected to, and then check the display and sound again. If the display or sound still does not work correctly, continue to the next step. On your computer, configure the sound settings for the HDMI sound output. Select Start, type Sound Settings, and then select it from the results. Select Sound Control Panel. Select the connected monitor and then select Set Default. Select Properties and then select the Levels tab. Set the monitor volume to at least 75 and then select OK. If changing the sound settings and volume do not resolve the problem, continue to the next step. Run the Windows Troubleshooter to automatically diagnose and fix the issue. Select Start, type Audio Troubleshooter, and then select Find and Fix Problems with Playing Sound from the results. In the Playing Audio window, select Next. If your computer has multiple HDMI outputs connected, select the connection to troubleshoot and then select Next. Read and respond to the on-screen prompts to troubleshoot the HDMI connection. If the troubleshooter completes but does not resolve the issue, select Close and then continue to the next step. Reset the computer to attempt to resolve display or sound issues on HDMI connections. Shut down the computer and then disconnect any cables, including the power cable. If using a laptop that has a removable battery, slide the battery release latch and then remove the battery. Press and hold the power button for 15 seconds and then reconnect the power adapter to the laptop and a wall outlet. Do not reinstall the battery or any other previously connected devices. Press the power button to turn on the computer. If the sound and audio display, the issue is resolved. If you previously removed a battery, turn off the computer, reinstall the battery, and then turn the laptop back on. If resetting the computer did not resolve the problem, continue to the next step. Update the display and sound drivers in Device Manager. Connect your computer to the Internet for best results. Select Start, type Device Manager, and then select it from the results. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, and then right-click the high-definition audio device. Select Update Driver, and then select Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows searches the computer and Internet for an updated driver, and then installs one if available. Restart the computer, and then check the HDMI connection